Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Erica Bell, and here are 5 travel items everyone should have, every traveler needs. The first one is a good travel pillow. So I have two. I have like a standard, I guess you would call this like a standard travel pillow. You just put it around your neck. I like that it clips so it kind of stays put. It's very basic. Then one year, my husband bought me this turtle pillow. I'll demonstrate it. Okay, so I kept the stickers on to remind me how to use it. Back of neck. You put your jaw or your shoulder here, so you could like do it here, and then you wrap it around, or you do it, more often I do it like to the side. You wrap it around, and it just like, it sticks to the bottom of it. What am I trying to say? Velcro, thank you. Jeez. Anyways, so this is awesome. It's super supported. You can take the whole thing off. You can take this cover off and wash it too. But it has this like plastic in it, right? So it's firm, it's super supportive. So instead of just kind of slouching over, it definitely has more support. The one caveat for it though is if you're vain and you mind how you look on a plane, you kind of look like you're wearing a neck brace. Just saying. But listen, I am big on getting good sleep. If I don't get good sleep, I'm like a horrible human being. So I really don't care what I look like as long as I'm getting good sleep. So, travel pillow. One other thing for the pillows, I found a pillow that's also good for camping. So it's a pillow that is like memory foam that is it's compact. So you can shrink it down. It goes in like a little, maybe it's like a foot bag, and then you expand it and you can use it while you're in the car, or it's perfect because it's pretty much a full-size pillow. So even though it's considered a travel pillow, you still could use it again, like while you were camping, or you know, a lot of people don't like to use hotel pillows, so you could bring it there. So like these, you're only gonna be using like when you're in a plane, train, car, but that other pillow that I'm talking about that I'll link to, you could actually use like sleeping overnight on a bed or a sleeping bag, so it's great. And the next thing is headphones, noise canceling headphones, either headphones or earbuds. These are my husband. He has liked these ones. These are Bose. You can see they are, you know, pretty small. Obviously, if you have just the earbuds, you know, the case is like this big. It just depends on your preference. And all of these things, like I'll link a bunch of stuff that I've either used personally, that you'll see in this video, or that came like highly like rated, that have great reviews. So definitely need these so you can sleep or just zone out and just get comfy while you're traveling. The next thing is a portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so this one we've had for years. It's Bose as well, but it's big. Now let me say this, we've had it for years and it has lasted. I mean, it's been through the ringer. We use it all the time, inside, outside, all that. It's heavy. This is not one that I would personally recommend for traveling necessarily. I would absolutely suggest a smaller one, which you can see, and I'll link. You know, they make ones that you can kind of clip onto your bags, your backpack, waterproof, you know, just like resistant. Excuse me, resistant to sand, to debris, all that. This is just an example, right? They also make ones that are solar powered. That to me is amazing. So I'll link to some of those as well. Anytime we can use like solar power charging, to me is such a win. So especially like when you're traveling, say you're camping, those types of products are awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. My next item I don't have because my husband is using it, but it's a power bank or like a portable charger. Again, you can find these that are solar powered. They are amazing. I have not ordered one, but I'm going to. Again, I love it for camping, for outdoor stuff, or just on the go. Honestly, my husband uses his portable charger all the time. So it's just a really great thing, especially for traveling. Another thing is shower sheets or some kind of wipes, okay? We all know when you travel, I don't care how you're traveling, in a car, in a plane, whatever, after a day of traveling, you feel grimy, right? I know I'm not the only one. Your face feels grimy. Your whole body feels grimy, right? So having something like this, that's like an on-the-go wipe, a shower sheet, can just make you feel so refreshed. If you don't, you can either freshen up while you are traveling, or maybe when you get to your destination, if you don't have time to shower right away and you're just kind of boom, boom, boom going. They're just really great. They make some plant-based ones that are just kind of all natural, so it doesn't have like harsh ingredients or chemicals in it. So I will link to some of those, and they're definitely a must. And again, they're small. You can put them in your backpack, put them in a purse, put them in whatever kind of bag you carry. Again, if you're camping, they're also kind of nice for that. Yeah, so these are the items I think. Did I forget anything? No. Anyways, those are the items. What did I forget? Let me know. Stay tuned each week. If you like this video, please share it so that more people can see my content and I can keep making videos for y'all. Stay tuned each week for new videos. Thank you so much for watching.